a lot of people don't know this. I actually directed Charmin in a music video. You see her in that, and you see how she's a modern girl. She's expressive. She's laughing. She's in her world.
Yeah.
See how expressive she is in that. An actor does not do only what they want to do. There is a genius called Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who's the showrunner and the
Right.
creator of the show. She had to underplay it
Right.
to be different from the others. Suddenly I got to know, oh, but the channel thinks you do period. I said, excuse me? The production house was very keen on having me. I was very keen on doing it. It's a modern show, female oriented. It really hurt me because I was like, I'm a modern woman.
Yeah.
I live in the modern world. I have a modern mindset. The channel people don't know me. I did period because I got period.
Yeah.
I did it. You give me action, I'll do action. Except for horror, you give me anything, I will do. Somebody saying, अरे वो तो period करती है, तो period ही करेगी. It's the equivalent of in the olden time saying, अरे वो तो औरत है, वो तो घर ही संभालेगी.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Take One Film Me, and today I am with Mitakshara, a woman behind lots and lots of good projects.
Thank you.
Firstly, a very warm welcome to Take One.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you. Secondly, what does your name mean?
My name means code of conduct.
Wow.
It's a Sanskrit word from the Manusmriti.
Okay.
So my mother has read the Manusmriti, and yes, so she took it from. There are actually two property laws in India called Daya Bhaga and Mitakshara.
Really?
Yes. Unfortunately, as per the Mitakshara law, the daughter does not get anything.
Okay.
So I told my mother, was that like a
hint?
Yeah? Is there a message there? But no, she just liked the word. So it's a code of conduct.
Wow.
Yes.
I thought it's supposed to do with Akshar because Akshar.
हाँ वो संधि छेद बोलते हैं ना लोग मीत और
संधि.
अक्षरा नहीं.
हाँ.
It's one word. It's a Sanskrit word.
Oh.
It's a law.
Wow.
Code of conduct. Yeah.
I'm actually directly going to jump to Empire.
Yes, please.
Because I watched it twice.
Thank you.
Alone, but I liked it. Twice. I'm very sure when I'm saying twice, it means मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I watched it alone, then I showed it to my friend.
How sweet.
She loved it. Then she showed it to that जय हो का dialogue. खुद देख आगे तीन लोगों की मदद करना फिर
Yeah.
उनको बोलना आगे तीन लोगों की. That chain we have started for Empire. I watched it. I think the year it was released.
21.
Yeah, and I made my friends watch it this year itself. No,
Oh.
23 last year actually.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Tell me about the show. Like, उसका inception and then उसका पूरा making फिर चालू हुआ. How did the idea and everything? You directed the show, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, inception, I think, of the show happened even before I came on board.
Okay.
Because वो बहुत सालों से चल रहा था. It was, I think, Nikhil's dream, Nikhil Advani's dream, to make. It was going to be called The Mughals earlier. They were going to make it for Star Plus as a TV series, as a limited episode TV series.
Right.
Then I don't know what all happened. By the time I reached there, it was with Hotstar and it was going to be a OTT show.
So you knew it before filming?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So it was greenlit by Hotstar and that time it was the biggest show on OTT, and it still is one of the biggest shows on OTT.
Production value. Look at it.
Yes,
Yeah.
and period.
Yes.
So there was no period show on OTT.
Yep.
And so they were like, usually we in India, periods, unfortunately, are directed by men.
Huh.
I think I'm probably the only female director who has done 2 period shows now.
Right.
So thanks to Nikhil, Madhu and Monisha, they were like, we want you and we want a female's gaze on the show because
They were
it's...
specific about it.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yes. So, so the thing was because it's a dynasty की story है, warriors की story है, it's a male-driven story.
Right.
And then I think it was Monisha and Madhu who were like, we need a female perspective. And then Nikhil has always been very, very kind. And he was like, why don't you come in? And he always tells me, and other people who worked on the show also tell me that maybe because a female director came on the show, the women in the show were very strong.
Yes.
That I will take credit for.
You should. Because it was.
Yeah, so I rewrote the female characters.
Oh, okay.
Ehsan Daulat, which was Shabana ma'am's character, or Khanzada, or Gulrukh and Maham, the 2 wives of Babar, they all stood their own. They all were strong women. And of course, they were written as obviously
What
strong
they were.
women, but then I had to really enhance so that they shine as much as the men were shining.
Right.
Because actually, politics जो होती है ना, और जो harem politics होती है, it can make or break an empire.
Right.
And that's the viewpoint I took. I had great male actors. I had good-looking male actors, right? Like Dino and Adi, Kunal. So the thing was to get as good female actors and then write the characters, amp it up, and being a female director, it's my responsibility towards female characters as well.
Then you were involved in casting also, or you gave some inputs?
So casting ka credit actually will go to Kavish Sinha. He's the casting director. A lot of I used to give him inputs, but a lot of the ideas would come from him. So he had actually auditioned Dino for Shehbani.
And Dino agreed to audition?
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, it's great that, you know, like, even after being the name that he is, all these actors are so hungry for good work. And they don't operate from ego. They operate from just wanting to go and do good work, right? So all of them have auditioned. And so Dino's audition was already there with Kavish, with other people's auditions. And when I saw him, I was like, oh my God. You know, I was a 15-year-old girl who had a huge crush on him in Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, who used to make scrapbooks with his pictures. And I was like, wow, this is how he looks now, and he looks very different. He's matured, he's looking good. And then he was the perfect anti-casting.
Got it.
He's known as a Raz. He was the lover boy, right? Yes, he had the image of a chocolate boy and, you know, a good boy, gentleman, which all of those things he is. And I wanted to just break the mold of that casting, and I wanted to cast this good guy as a bad guy. And I think it's just more challenging also. There is more mystery to it. There is more enigma when you go against the norm and do that kind of casting. And it just worked. I think he was really appreciated.
Really good,
you would know, you've seen it twice. And you're talking about his death scene, which is my most favorite scene.
Exactly. I'm going to come to that, but I have to say this. You know, Dino in that series, in The Empire, is not just the bad guy. Because when I was watching it, I felt bad also for him.
Yes.
Despite the fact I was not liking the fact I was feeling bad, but I was feeling bad. And I think that comes with great, you know, writing and direction. Of course, acting to aati hi hai usme, so I had to mention this.
Thank you. He was the anti-hero. He was not the bad guy.
Yeah, exactly.
He was the anti-hero, and when an anti-hero falls in love, the kind of vulnerability that Dino brought to the role, I think was brilliant.
We were going to talk about the scene that we were talking about. You know, it's a big screen scene. Especially, I'm sure जिसने देखा होगा, they'll know. Horses are coming. Drishti's fake pregnancy, and then she takes out the entire cloth, and then Dino gets to know that he's being
that shot of his,
and he's smiling, kind of not just like perplexed and smiling emotion. It was so good. How did you come up with that?
I did a lot of homework for that scene. So, I don't know how I came up with it. So, I wrote that scene. It was written a little differently. They were riding on the horse, and, you know, that's how she was supposed to kill him. Yeah. And then me and Nikhil discussed, and we wrote, and we wanted to make it epic. And, you know, like, he is, like I said, the anti-hero of the show. But by the end of episode 5, people had started to fall in love with Shehbani Khan. So, when he dies, he needed a hero's death.
Exactly.
Yeah. So just a wife saying, "Oh, अब मैंने तुमको धोखा दिया, तुमको मार देती हूँ." So I wanted to to do justice to that character's ending, and I really worked hard. We did proper shot division, we did storyboarding. I shot it over 4 days. But only morning half an hour, evening half an hour. Yes. But only half an hour.
Got it.
Magic hour.
Got it.
तो सुबह करते थे, हम लोग 6:30 से 8 तक शूट करते थे, और 6:30 से 7:30 एक घंटा खींच के, and then evening 4:30 to 5. That's the only window we got. And imagine breaking that emotion. The actors have to perform for half an hour in the morning and then half an hour in the night, and
connecting that emotions.
And then I was shooting something else in the day. So I would start for half an hour with that scene, go to that वो हमने जो पूरा village बनाया हुआ था, जहाँ पे वो शादी होती है बाबर की. I would go do that and then again come back in the evening for this.
Okay.
So it was very challenging, but when I see it now, and you know, it's so surprising, for that particular scene, I still get messages, and not from India.
Oh,
I get them from Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Russia, Bangladesh. यहाँ से लोग मैसेज करते हैं.
Wow.
And people have made reels of that scene. And I keep watching it, and I feel
Yeah.
so happy when I see that, and that last look of his, and when
It's
she
very nice.
throws the cloth.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
How did Drishti come up? She auditioned for it, or who thought of Drishti there? Because
I thought of Drishti.
You did?
But
Oh,
it was
wow.
it's a very funny story actually. I wanted somebody else as Khanzada, and she's a big star, and she wanted to do it, but for some reason her dates were not working or something was not working, and me and Kavish were in the office.
Okay.
And I was like, you know, I don't know who. And Drishti was in the office for some other meeting, for some other show.
Okay.
And I saw her walking. I was like, I want her because she
Khanzada.
looked so good.
Right.
And I was like, Kavish, I mean, unfortunately, I had not seen her work before. I know my mother used to watch Madhubala,
Madhubala,
which
yeah,
I
I
got
did.
to know later. So I knew her face, but I don't know what kind of an actor she was. But when I saw her, there was something about her. I was like, ये लड़की तो बड़ी अच्छी है. I told Kavish, मुझे इससे मिलाओ. And then when we, of course, went to Hotstar, they lapped her up because Drashti is a big star.
Yeah.
And she has her own great following. So that's how Drashti came on. She didn't audition for it. She didn't have to. But we did a few readings and all.
Right.
I told her what the role is and everything. And for her, it was challenging because from TV to OTT is a very different jump.
She mentioned about it.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
always says that.
Yeah.
And you know, I used to tell her, Drishti, over nahi karna. And she, you know, she still thanks me. You know, you taught me the art of underplaying.
That's exactly are the words which he used in
Really?
the show. I think that Coffee Shots with Karan, the special wala.
Yeah.
She said that I learned the art of underplaying.
Oh, wow.
Doing the Empire.
Wow.
Because she said TV mein there's a different kind of acting.
Yes.
Of course, for different reasons.
Correct.
We cannot blame the medium because
Absolutely
the
not.
audience also is like someone said. I
That
think,
works. That works on TV because
Yeah. Someone said कि लोग टीवी देखते हैं सब्जियां काटते हुए तो we need to be
Exactly.
or something doing something. We need to be loud to get the attention.
Yes.
You know, TV
Yes.
चलता रहता है लोग अपना काम
Yes.
करते रहते हैं. But
Yes.
then coming back to she said कि you know working with the entire team in the Empire, we had to. I was like I learned कि you know how to
Yeah.
underplay, how to act while not acting.
Correct.
And all those nuktas which he said कि you know Shabana ma'am said.
Yeah. Shabana ma'am used to correct. वो मेरी भी जबान साफ करती थी. मेरी I think काफी साफ है,
Yeah.
but she used to tell me कभी-कभी ये नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, वैसे नहीं. I love Shabana ma'am. But Drashti is a very expressive girl.
Yes.
So
Especially Rise.
I had to tell her, कभी-कभी ना वो ज़्यादा करती है, Drashti नहीं, कुछ नहीं, हल्का सा बोलना है, just let your eyes talk. So she used to first find it a little challenging, and then when she got the hang of it, she was so good.
Being a woman filmmaker, I didn't want to use the word woman filmmaker, but like I said, there are very few to have to do it. Not because it's something different,
अब तो
but
बढ़
because
गए हैं यार, अब तो बहुत
but
lot
still-
of women in the industry.
Yeah, but still, like you said, a period drama is. I think you were the only one.
I think so. I mean, I hope I'm wrong, and there are a few, but I have actually thought about it, and मेरे को तो और कोई
मुझे भी नहीं आता. I might be wrong, but then even if there are, then there would be only one or two, not more than that. When you are a director, like we say, is a captain of the ship, and when you are in power, होता क्या है? Real life में, sometimes people do shy away from taking instructions for women. Does it happen on set?
no,
It doesn't.
no.
No one, like right from the technicians, from the
No.
actors, of course, they know about it.
No,
but
I think as a society we have really come up
Okay.
a long way.
I'm glad.
Yeah. देखो लोग अपने घरों में जाके कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं औरतों को, ये मैं नहीं जानती हूँ. That still needs to change. It's still tough for women at home. When you're working to take an order from a female director, it's still easier now. I hope it changes at homes also. But I have not faced it.
When did your association with Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir start? And like, did you approach or how did it start?
No, I got a call from there actually.
Really?
So yeah. So 2014 end, 24th December is when I met him for the first time. So basically, a classmate of mine from FTII, he knew somebody who was doing something on Bajirao Mastani.
Okay.
And I think sir one day just told this person that I need a new associate director or a chief AD. I want a good assistant director. He had a team. I think the shooting had already started. So I don't know why they were looking for an AD. So my friend told me कि via मुझे पता चला है, and everyone knew it was my dream to work with Mr. Bhansali, because when I went to FTII, I had made it very clear that he's also from FTII. I had made it very, very clear that I would love to work with him. I tried to get in touch with him actually during Savaria.
Okay.
I could not.
Okay.
So when I had passed out of the institute, that's when he was making Savaria, and I tried to get numbers. उस टाइम में बड़ा मुश्किल होता था, phone directory वगैरह करके. I'm not from the industry.
Social media number कुछ था ही नहीं.
कुछ नहीं था. I didn't know anyone.
Right.
दिल्ली से आई हुई लड़की, पढ़ लिया फिल्म स्कूल, बॉम्बे आके अब कहाँ से ढूंढोगे? तो तब मेरा नहीं हो पाया था, but I think just as luck would have it or whatever, it was destiny. So this friend of mine told me he's looking for an AD. I know you always wanted to work with him. Do you still want to work with him? And that time I was doing a film called Shab with Onir as a first AD. Right. So Amar Kaushik and I were the first ADs on that film.
Okay.
So I said, of course I'll go and I'll meet him. So I went, I met sir. He was very nice to me. उनका वो बाजीराव का जो first scene है, उसकी शूटिंग की प्रेपरेशन चल रही थी. अच्छा. शाहू के दरबार में जब बाजीराव आता है, that तीर वाला. So उसकी प्रेपरेशन चल रही थी. So I went, I met him, and he asked me like, you know, ऐसा, what have you done, this and that. So I told him one thing. I said, sir, you know, I've heard a lot about your about you. I've heard about you, and I've heard that you're very difficult to work with. But if you shout at me, how will I do my work? And I think he was just taken aback. And he was very nice. He said, no, darling, I don't like to shout or anything. But you know, like, my films are my babies. Of course. आप 300-400 लोग जूनियर्स के साथ काम करते हो, और उसमें कोई हल्की सी भी गलती कर देता है तो गुस्सा आएगा. But and actually I have seen that most of his the times that he has
lost the cool.
Yeah, let's not say lost it, but he's been upset or unhappy. Right. There has been a reason behind.
Right.
Anyway, so I met him, I did this, and he's like, okay, I would really like you to work. What are you doing? So I said, sir, मेरा एक schedule बचा है फिल्म का, 5 दिन की shooting बची है. But Onir had told me that this is going to be a very, very big thing. You go. It's fine. Amar is here. He'll handle it. You can. So I told him, and he was like, no, you're doing a project. Finish it. And once you finish it, you come back. Okay. This was 24th December. I think by end of Jan, वो शब खत्म हो गई. I called the EP on Bajirao and I was like, I'm free. He said, no, now हमारा जो पुराना AD छोड़ के गया था वो वापस आ गया. हमको नहीं चाहिए. So I was so heartbroken. This is Jan, and then I was like, चलो ठीक है, होना है होगा, नहीं होना है नहीं होगा. April 14th. You know, I remember the dates because it was life changing. I was thinking
of it because you remember every date which you've been telling me.
I am very good with numbers and dates and names and all of that. Right. Names I'm bad with. Everything else I'm good with. So 14th April, I get a call and they say, तुम कल से join कर सकती हो?
Okay.
I said, excuse me. Also, I remember because 15th April is my brother's birthday.
Okay.
So one day before, and I'm like, हाँ करूँगी. I was like, भाई के साथ dinner winner गया, सब गया, कुछ नहीं, मैं करूँगी कल से join.
Right.
And I called my dad and I was like, Papa, guess who you're talking to? He's like, who? I said, the chief assistant director of Sanjay Leela Bhansali. And next day I was on. And my first shoot on Bajirao was Pinga, the song Pinga.
Right.
Great, but so tab se it's just
been
a long association.
When people draw a lot of comparisons between Pinga and Dola Re Dola.
I mean, yeah, two heroines dancing, a dance
that's
off.
idea, and also celebrating a womanhood kind of a thing that they draw.
Yeah, they're very different songs, very different dance forms.
Everything was different.
Yeah.
But why I mentioned this was, were you in awe? Like, how was it for you on the very first day of the set?
I was nervous. Not anxious. See, I always knew I'm a very good AD.
Okay.
I was a very good first AD.
Right.
So I was actually excited more than anything, but I was nervous because on a set, I had never worked on a film that big.
Yeah.
And that song had so many dancers, so many juniors. मतलब 300 लोगों को तैयार कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, and you know, like, उन लोगों का already shoot चल रहा था. So कभी-कभी क्या होता है, ADs का एक already group बना हुआ था, and then suddenly a new person is coming and she's coming and giving you instructions. People don't like to take it.
Right.
And unfortunately, it's women who actually make it difficult for other women sometimes. So there were a couple of ADs who were like, oh, who does she think she is? Now she's coming and she's going to give us instructions and all of that. But if you're good at your job, eventually everything works out fine.
Right.
And I was very excited. And then it's just been a dream come true.
Wow. And then I think you again collaborated on Padmavat.
Yeah.
And then Hira Mandi, of course.
Yes, Gangu also.
Gangu also you did. Yeah. I think
Yes.
you also were in
Inshallah, I was involved in Inshallah also, which didn't happen.
Yeah.
Then Gangu, actually, I was the associate director. We started, everything was there. 1 month before the shoot, I got Empire.
Acha.
And it was very kind of Sanjay sir. I asked him,
Huh.
what do I do? Because, you know, you leave a film right before shooting and all. He told me that this is the right time for you to direct.
Right.
And if you're getting the whole show to direct, you must go do it. And this is your home. ये दरवाजे खुले हैं तुम्हारे लिए.
It's really sweet.
It was. He's been loving to me, very loving to me.
Wow. But do you think your experience with Sanjay sir, why I'm saying Sanjay sir is because of the period dramas
Yeah.
that he makes, helped you in directing the
Absolutely.
Empire?
I think I
handling.
got the Empire because
Acha,
of my
okay.
association with Sanjay sir.
Right.
Because I had done periods
Hmm.
and I have learnt a lot from him. I have observed him a lot. So I think, see, somewhere period is something I'm also comfortable with, right? Because that's also the kind of genre I like. I watch a lot of period. I read a lot of period. तो मेरे लिए वो comfortable था. I think I enhanced that talent in me by observing him and learning from him.
Right.
So yeah.
What's your favorite scene from Hira Mandi? It received a lot of mixed reviews. It
I
was
know,
unanimously praised, but there is a certain section.
Fair
which,
enough.
yeah.
I mean, an audience has the right to like or not
Right.
like. Our job is to make to the best of our efforts,
Hmm.
and then it's up to the audience what they like or they don't like. There's so many scenes there. Actually, there's a scene where Sanjeeda burns the file, which I shot.
Okay.
I really like that scene.
Okay.
I know of all the scenes I'm talking about
Yeah,
that scene,
yeah.
but also because we changed a lot on the set on that scene. It was not supposed to be like that. The chandelier jala rahi hai, wo Sonakshi
Yeah,
और
yeah,
वो तैयार होके आती है. It was also a closure for Sanjeeda's character, you know. And उसमें एक dialogue है कि चेहरे पर एक बार चाकू चला, रूह पे बेहिसाब.
Yeah.
धोखा देने वालों में तुम्हारा भी आज नाम शामिल. It's just the sadness of a woman. मतलब हम बता रहे हैं कि तवायफ हैं जिनके नवाब तो होते ही नहीं है. ये एक ऐसी तवायफ है जिसकी अपनी बेटी उसकी नहीं है.
Yeah.
तो उसका जो पेन था ना उस कैरेक्टर का, उस सीन में बहुत अच्छे से आया.
Yeah.
So not for the visuals are great everywhere, right? But the character's pain,
Yeah.
for me,
It's essentially
that.
the story, of course.
Yeah.
And that's where you
Yeah.
draw the characters in the
yes.
scene. Right. Is there any other scene which you can talk about?
The climax I like a lot.
Oh, yeah.
That I like.
Yeah.
So, and it was actually, again, challenging like the Shebani death scene because
हाँ.
this was also shot over many days.
Hmm.
So, I think I shot सबसे पहले the women at the wall. एक तरफ अदिति आती है, दूसरी तरफ औरतें आती हैं.
the women, yeah.
वो मैंने सबसे पहले शूट किया था. ओवर
अच्छा.
एक दिन का शूट था.
Okay.
उसके बाद मैंने शूट किया था आलम किलिंग कार्टराइट.
अच्छा, हाँ, उस
हाँ?
बीच वो गाने के बीच में ही
Correct.
वो चलता है, right?
वो
हाँ.
अलग शूट किया किसी और
Right.
दिन. And then Aditi getting tortured was shot on some other day. So
Right.
these 3 portions I shot. And then the women coming out and वो सर ने शूट किया.
Okay,
The
okay.
opening of the song, sir
हाँ.
shot it also. So
जहाँ
imagine.
पिट रहे होते हैं वो सब.
हाँ. तो वो पिटने के बाद वो जो निकलती हैं वहां से वो सर ने किया. So you actually have to now match up to something. Otherwise, all full scenes we have done, right?
Yeah.
But this was one sequence where
Yeah.
he has shot half, and it has to be maintained.
Yeah.
So that was very, very challenging.
Yeah.
And to shoot it over different days. But I think it's come out very beautifully. I like the climax a lot. बहुत ऐसे छोटे छोटे सीन्स हैं वो मनीषा
Right.
मैम ने जो आंख के ऊपर वो रखे थे वो अगेन इट वाज वेरी लास्ट मिनट इम्प्रॉम्प्टू थिंग आई डिड
Okay.
इट वाजंट प्लान्ड
What was it actually originally?
ओरिजिनली वो सीन था कि वो जो उनका वॉल्ट है
हाँ.
वो वहां पे बुलाती हैं बिब्बो को और वहां पे ये सीन होता है
अच्छा, okay.
So then I was like, how do I make it interesting? How do I make it interesting? So I spoke to Sanjay sir, obviously, and we were both brainstorming. And he said, you know, she has to be surrounded by her jewelry.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. And then Mahesh Limay, the DOP, he shot that scene. Because between him and Shudida, most of the thing was shot in Chang. So that scene was Mahesh sir. And I was like, Mahesh sir, क्या करें? So with my ADs, I was like, उसको ना बिस्तर पे लिटा देते हैं. She's a little loud, right?
Yeah.
She's Malika Jaan.
Yeah.
तो वो सब हो गया सीन बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है और लास्ट में जाके वो वापस ऐसा लेटती है तो पंच नहीं मिल रहा था
अच्छा.
लाइक यार ये ना एंड नहीं मिल रहा है सीन का तो me and my ADs were all discussing. I always discuss with my team.
Right.
What can we do? कैसे कर सकते हैं? क्या कर सकते हैं? And then somebody was like, ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है. वहाँ से बात करते करते निकला कि वो अपनी आंखों पे रखे. And I was like, yeah. मतलब उस औरत को वो अपनी बेटी की कुर्बानी दे रही है.
Right.
क्यों? क्योंकि उसको आंख बंद करके भी सिर्फ अपने रिचेस और अपनी पावर और अपनी ज्वेलरी दिखती है.
Right.
So वो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. So actually I shot 2 variations because
Okay.
I really liked that.
हाँ.
But I was like, I don't know whether Sir will like it or not. He's the creator of the show, right? And I am taking this call on my own. So I shot one without and one with.
अच्छा.
And initially, actually, Sir made fun of me. He's like, ये क्या किया तूने? But that has,
It's there in
it's so
the-
talked about.
Yeah, it's there in the
People are making memes on it and
know.
everything. So I think in the final edit, Sir realized that that works better.
Maybe साथ में देखा होगा it would have made more sense.
It's
in
a
the edit.
powerful shot.
Right.
Like
of
just
course.
her lying down.
And it's actually defining her character a
Yeah.
lot.
And कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना जब आप शूट कर रहे होते हो ना there's some energy.
Right.
आपको नहीं पता आप क्या कर रहे हो. वो करवा देती है चीजें.
Right.
मेरे दिमाग में क्यों आई ये चीज मुझे पता नहीं. For the longest time Sir was not liking that shot and then suddenly he's like
Yeah, वो रख दिया
रख
final
दिया.
list में, yeah.
It was meant to happen.
Get
So
it,
I
get it.
can't take credit for it.
When you got on board on Hira Mandi, were you told that you'll be directing certain scenes, or you got on board as a chief like the
No, as a director.
Acha, right.
So me and Vibhu were brought on as directors.
Acha, it was already told.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was
Obviously because I had done Empire, right?
Right,
So my
right,
show
right.
had already released and
Right.
done well.
right.
Vibhu has done a film and he had also, I think he had shot Taj. So we were both brought on as directors.
Oh wow!
For episodes.
For episodes,
Yeah.
right? I want to talk about this. Just give the clarity about Alamzeeb's character because while for me, to be honest, I'll be very frank. Hira Mandi was for me it was a mixed thing. I somehow liked it. Somewhere I loved it. Somewhere I was like, meh, kind of a thing. But what I did get was I understand Alamzeeb's character, which obviously received a lot of backlash for the expression thing. Whereas, correct me if I'm wrong, what I perceived was, I think she did not want to be Tawaf, and she was her character was like that only.
Correct.
Is it the fact, right?
Yeah, it is. So a lot of people don't know this. I actually directed Charmin in a music video.
Okay.
सर की गजल एल्बम आई थी
I know.
सुकून उसमें अरमान मलिक ने गाना गाया है गालिब होना है
I've heard that.
so I directed Charmin in that.
Okay.
You see her in that and you see how she's a modern girl, she's expressive, she's laughing, she's in her world.
Yeah.
See how expressive she is in that.
Yeah, we've seen Meher and Malal also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think she did a great job there also.
Right.
So an actor does not do only what they want to do. There is a genius called Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who's the showrunner and the
Right.
creator of the show. And he has obviously shot the first episode and Charmin's intro and everything. So they have worked together and decided on something. And yes, like you said, absolutely.
It's the character.
It is the character. And she had to underplay it
Right.
to be different from the others.
Right, because she was different from the
Yeah.
other. She did not want to be the
Yeah.
wife. I get it because and also I generally feel कि अगर कोई इंसान, for example, I'll take an example of the death scene when she hears about Taj Star's death scene.
Yeah.
Taj Star's
Yeah.
death basically. And I was like, for me also, you know, if I get to know, God forbid, someone death news of someone very close, I might not cry then and there. I might
Absolutely. So
not
I
be able
shot
to
that.
digest. Okay, you shot that.
That, yes.
Okay.
That reaction and everything.
Huh.
I know whatever people are saying, but the thing is, हमको instant gratification और instant reaction
Yeah.
नहीं होता है.
Yeah, वो digest ही नहीं
वो
होगा.
औरत जो अपनी शादी कर, उसकी शादी होने वाली थी, उसका दूल्हा आया नहीं तो माँ ने बोला अब तू तवाया घुघरू पहन और नाच.
Yeah.
She is already in a daze. My life is over. उसमें वो नाच रही है, वो अपनी माँ को देख रही है. Suddenly somebody comes and tells you he is no more. क्या चूड़ी तोड़ के वहीं तो नहीं रोएगी ना?
I know, exactly.
And you see how nicely she has done. It's shock. It's disbelief.
Yeah.
And she has done it very well. And she's, for a second, you know, she's like, she just takes a few steps back and then she collapses.
Yeah.
That is called cinema.
Yeah.
Right? It's giving me goosebumps talking about it. वो नहीं रहा, नहीं ताजदार नहीं रहा, वहीं गिर के वो रोने लगती, अपना सर पटकती. That's not what will, you know, like hurt you or pinch you. The fact that this young woman whose life was about to change, वो नवाब की बहू बनने वाली थी, एक नवाब की बीवी बनने वाली थी, आज तवायफ बन के नाच रही है और सडनली उसकी बहन आके उसे बोल रही है कि वो मर गया. That internalizing of that, your life has ended, your dreams are shattered.
Right.
You are internalizing that pain and that loss. It will take some time. I think she did a brilliant job.
Yeah, and sometimes we go blank, and that's what going blank also means.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Yeah.
The,
You have to internalize what is happening. If you, when you are asking me something, मैं एकदम से जवाब नहीं दूंगी. I have to, and we are just talking normal things.
Exactly.
Like a big shocking thing, if you ever get to know, you won't react.
Right.
I have lost people in my life, right? There have been family members and friends who I have lost, who have passed away, and I don't even remember what I did, but definitely not sit down and cry at.
Of course, instantly तो वो नहीं होता.
I was in denial.
Right.
I was in shock. And that's why we made her do what we made her do, because at least for me, it came from experience.
Right.
So,
I
yeah.
understand. That makes sense. That absolutely makes sense. Hira Mandi 2. Announcement तो हुआ ही है.
हाँ.
Are you associated there?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, because जब से announce I'm like, okay, अब ये हो गया, अब क्या, क्योंकि हीरा मंडी तो खत्म होने वाला है, because independence होने वाला है. Okay, so I can't ask.
No,
because I
not,
wanted
also
to
sir
know.
is busy, I think, with Love and War now.
Yeah.
So simultaneously, if it's happening, even Hira Mandi 1, I was brought on much later.
Okay.
You know, like Hira Mandi कब से बातें चल रही थी.
Right.
So to be वैसे अभी.
जब होगा.
Yeah, I'm not in the. I don't think I'm the right person to talk because I'm not.
Well, that's okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
What's coming up for you? What's next? What are you working on?
Lots of things. So there is a
What
show.
can you talk about? Please let me
I
know.
can't.
जिसके बारे में भी you can.
Yeah, so there is. There are these new producers I'm working with. Lovely duo. I can't. I won't tell you about them.
Yeah.
But they are making fabulous films, very different. Their thought process is different. Their way of working is different. They're young, bright people. So I'm starting with one project with them, but
Okay.
we'll definitely be doing a lot more
You're
work
directing?
together. Yeah, I'm directing.
Okay.
It's their story.
Right.
Right now, we're still in the writing stages.
Okay.
So I like their way of working. It's a very professional. I don't want to say Western way of working because it's not like Eastern way of working is not good, but it's just a little more methodical, timely,
Yeah,
methodical. They don't work on their egos.
Right.
They work.
It's like the jobs that we do.
Yes,
Get it.
and they are very passionate about the work they do. You'll get to know. I think soon it'll be announced. So I'm doing a film with them. I am talking to a lot of other producers, and I'm trying to work with like-minded people.
Right.
So obviously MA is always there. I have a film with them. When that's happening, I don't know yet.
Okay.
But there's definitely a film happening with them.
You're again directing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll only direct.
Okay.
So
मुझे लगा बीच में you'll include some writings also.
I am. So there is something that I have written that I have pitched somewhere, and there has been interest in it, but it's not been picked up yet. So I can't say it's been picked up.
अच्छा, okay.
But I am working on a couple of other things also. I keep writing, yeah. And but I'm looking forward to all of these things that are going to happen, and none of them is period. So that is, I love period.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the problem is, and it's very, very sad. So I should talk about it. I still am talking for a show, with a very, very contemporary show. And the production house was very keen on having me. I was very keen on doing it. It's a modern show, female oriented. And suddenly I got to know, but the channel thinks you do period. I said, excuse me?
Okay, got it.
So it really hurt me because I was like, I'm a modern woman.
Yeah.
I live in the modern world. I have a modern mindset. The channel people don't know me.
Yeah.
They have only seen I did period because I got period.
Yeah.
I did it. You give me action, I'll do action. Except for horror, you give me anything, I will do.
Right.
As a director, it's my job.
Right.
And I actually feel very bad that, somebody saying, "Arey, wo to period karti hai, to period hi karegi." It's the equivalent of in the olden times saying, "Arey, wo to aurat hai, wo to ghar hi sambalegi."
I get it. Yeah.
That really, really pinched me, but their loss.
Right. But this happens to directors also because I've heard this
Yes.
is happening to the actors.
To actors
For
also.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah, people label you and typecast you.
Okay.
So it is
Then I think you have to
unfortunate.
consciously make decisions of doing different varied work.
Yeah, I'm actually looking to do
Yeah.
things which are not period because
Right.
I will always do period.
Yeah.
Because we were discussing, if I'm the only woman right now who's doing period, I would love to make that my legacy. Why
Right.
not?
Of course.
There is Ashutosh Gowarikar, there is Rajamouli, there is Sanjay Leela Bhansali,
Mani Ratnam sir did that.
Mani Ratnam, but they're all men.
Yeah.
And period is as much about your costumes and your jewelry and everything. Why not a woman?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
if that can be my legacy, I would love to make it. But I'm a 21st century girl.
You're more than that.
ये मेरा है सारा जहां कोई ad था ना, sorry. So I am a very modern woman. I come from a very liberal family. I was not brought up saying लड़की हो, लड़का लड़की का फर्क नहीं पता था मुझे क्या होता है. So I'm extremely modern. I can do modern things.
Right.
So that is a very unfortunate bent of mind. And sadly, those are also modern people who are making these.
I know. That's the very sad state. Most of the modern people, because right now bhi jo bhi hai, they're modern people and
Yeah,
young
and if you
people are
don't
doing
like
that.
period, that's one thing.
Yeah.
That you don't like period. Not liking period and not liking somebody's direction are two very different things.
Of course.
How can you not differentiate?
I
But
get it.
so yeah, that's
Slowly
a
and
little
steadily.
pinching subject, but
Yeah.
yeah. But I'm thankfully these other collaborators that I'm working with, great people, and they understand what probably I can bring to the table. Also because they've taken the effort to meet me.
Right.
They know me now.
Hmm.
So yeah.
And not just judging you with
Yeah.
Get it. I like.
I mean, sadly, we live in a world where we just make judgments even before we know somebody. So yeah.
But all great things I'm sure about to happen.
Yes, fingers
I can't wait to
crossed.
watch more that comes. I had no idea when I was watching the Empire. I'll be meeting you and I'll be talking to you about it. But like
I'm
they
so
say-
happy to talk about Empire after a long time. I still get messages from people.
Yeah.
But it's so nice to talk to a journalist who's seen it twice and enjoyed it. It's so nice. I'm very, very, because it will always be the most special. No matter how big I become, what all work I do, Empire will always be the most special for me. So it's
Wow.
nice.
I'm glad, and like I said, all the best and congratulations for whatever you've achieved now, and all the best for
Thank you.
whatever the projects you're working
Thank
on.
you.
And I can't wait to watch it.
Thank you. Thank
It
you
was a
so
pleasure
much.
meeting you. Thank you so much for
Yes.
joining us.
Thank you so much.